can you call yourself a content creator if you haven't done an unboxing video? No, you cannot. So I'm doing yet another unboxing video, and this one is for two companies that have sent me Christmas gifts. Most other influencers probably would have done their hair and done their makeup before doing an unboxing video, but this is my channel and I'm still sick, and I have been sick with this cold here in Arizona for the past week, and I'm here after I spent like 3 weeks in New York. I basically went to like the Substack bestsellers dinner, and I've been kind of just like hanging out here in Arizona, writing and attempting to open packages, and having a good time trying to finish my new book, The Ash Trials, which, as you might have seen from one of my other videos, I'm doing a complete behind the scenes of what it's like to launch a book. So hair and makeup was not in the cards for today. But what is in the cards today is my first package. And immediately when I open the package, I have a charger and a battery pack from the company Ororo. I am obsessed with this company. I reached out to this company. I'm like, hello, can I please share your company on TikTok Shop and your products, which I'm going to share with you in a moment, because I'm a cold girl. I don't like the cold weather, and Ororo has completely kind of revolutionized cold weather apparel. And so they sent me one of their new products, which I'm really excited to open for y'all. It comes in this kind of mesh pouch, and it is a heated vest. I have had one of their heated jackets that was gifted to me by my partner Kyle. It's one of the best gifts I've ever received in my entire life, because the heated jacket, you just press a button and it heats your whole body. It has heated panels in the jacket. And I recently went on a trip to Madeira, Portugal, and I went through the cloudy forest as inspiration for my new novel that I'm writing. And I brought my Ororo jacket with me, and it kept me warm in the cloudy forest, in the foggy forest, sorry. And I have worn it on the Inca Trail in Machu Picchu, and it has been a game changer. It has a battery pack you can charge your phone with. And so I'm really excited to open this, because I know that they have released, other products beyond their heated jacket line. And as somebody who's always cold, I am really excited to open this, because I'm actually headed to Canada next week for a memoir ghostwriting trip. And I'm really excited. So, okay, cool. Woo! So here is, whoa, nice. Okay, so here's their heated vest. Nice. What I like about it is that it has the same button that I remember from the heated jacket, where you just press and hold it and it turns on. I'm going to unzip it. This is going to be something that is going to pair really well underneath my long coat, because I have a coat that I'm bringing that I got from Aritzia, but I know it's going to be freezing in Canada, and so I'm really excited to try this. Nice. Cool. Yes, nice. It fits perfectly. I really like, it just feels like, I already feel like I'm going to be warm in it. Like, I feel like that, like when I move to San Francisco, I'm going to fit in with all the tech bros. I'm really excited to try this out, and then I'll make a review video about this as well. But like I said, what I love is that with Ororo, you just press a button and then everything heats. I'm curious to see, like, ooh, they got pockets. Ooh. Oh, this is the pocket for the battery. So you put the battery pack in here. Nice. I'm really excited for this. Very, very excited. Thank you, Ororo. This is very cool. I am really excited for that. Yes. And I do believe with my heated jacket, this was also the container that I washed it in. So you can keep this for washing things, which I am really excited for. And then my other package. So yeah, as a digital nomad, when I was traveling, I was able to fit everything in a carry-on suitcase for all climates from summer to winter, in part because I had the heated jacket, and it was just like, I was able to, wear it on the Inca Trail and not bring any other layers, because I just had several battery packs with me, and I swapped out the battery packs on the trail. And at night when I was cold in my tent, sometimes I just turn on the heat and put the heated jacket over me. It is really great. And so, yeah, I think if you're a light packer and you just like need like, yeah, if you're somebody who likes to pack light, like it's really great. I have like kind of become a minimalist over the last few years as a digital nomad, because when you travel full time, you really decide like what are the products that I actually love that I use all the time. And the heated jacket was something that I used all the time. And what I love about the heated vest is that I can pair it with my existing jacket. So when it's really cold outside, I'll be able to wear whatever jacket that I want and just have the heat underneath it. I love it. So the next company that sent me a gift is Sakura Co. They probably found me from my blog post about my trip to Japan, so I'm excited to see what they sent me. They send monthly snack boxes with Japanese inspired snacks, and I snacked so well in Japan. Ooh, very cool. Here is the box. Let's enjoy the traditional flavors of Japan together, from our families to yours. And inside is this cute little piece of paper. Nice, cute. Holidays in Hokkaido. And so let's see what this is. Oh, that's funny. It opens left to right, just like, you know, books in Japan. Nice. So it has like some little stories. Oh, and it has what all of the snacks are in the box. So let's take a look and see. Oh, a holiday Danish. Ooh, a little mountain-shaped candy. Green tea. Yeah, the matcha that I had in Japan, amazing. I don't drink any green tea anymore, but I'm gonna give this to my family. But Japanese green tea, another level. And then Hokkaido Ichigo milk chocolate sand cookies. Ooh, Japanese cookies, Japanese sweets in general are just so amazing. Hokkaido melon cookies, cute. Hachimitsu Ringo mochi. Oh, mochi. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Nice. What is this? This looks good. I love how there's just a pack of butter. Hokkaido white raspberry. Cute. Another thing of butter. Fresh pure butter cookies. Oh, I wonder if butter cookies are a thing. I don't remember that. This looks good. What the heck is this? Are these more mochis? Ooh, I love mochi. Mochi, the texture is so chewy and so good. Whoa, little like nut boxes. Cute. And then, what is this? Oh my gosh. Ah, a little dish. Oh, so you can put the snacks on it. Oh, so cute. Leave it to Japan to have like the cutest little things. Amazing. Thank you, Sakura Co. Very cool. I think this is a pretty great haul for a snack box. Like, this is amazing. And I haven't seen some of these snacks before. This looks really, really great. This, I feel like, would make a really great gift for somebody who has a sweet tooth, but like, you know, you don't want to just give them American candy. Like, I think that this is like such a cute little presentation. And there's a lot of like really cool kind of pieces in here. So this is great. I'm really impressed by this. Yeah, very cool. Thank you for joining me for the unboxing video today. I'm pretty blown away by this. I'm excited to dig into this. This will be good writing fuel. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.